Okay, so this lesson is for week 3, lesson 1 in IM3H, and we're going to be talking about how to graph circles and write equations of circles. So to do this, first thing, you need to know sort of the general equation, which looks like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. All right, so what you're looking for specifically is here you're looking for h, here you're looking for k, and over here you are looking for r. And the reason you're looking for those is the center, and I should be black, sorry about that, here we go. The center should be hk, right? That's going to be an ordered pair, and the radius is what r is. So let's take a look at example number 1 right here. Okay, so they've given me a center and they've given me a radius. So here's sort of like what I call the skeleton of the problem. I just need to fill in some numbers. I know for sure that there's going to be an x there and there's going to be a y there. What I need to have here, right, minus the x part of the center, which is 2 negatives. I will clean that up in just a second. And over here, I'm going to have the y part of the center. And over here, I'm going to have the radius. I just can't forget to square it. All right, so again, cleaning this up just a little bit. Here I have a double negative, so this becomes x plus 16 squared. This parenthesis looks pretty clean already. And 3 squared over here equals 9. This is the equation of the circle. Okay, let's try this one over here. Oh, well, I kind of wish this problem was slightly different, but I didn't make it, so here we go. So it's going to be x minus the x part of the circle, y minus the y part of the center of the circle equals the radius squared. So cleaning this up, this one will be x minus 6 squared plus y plus 16 squared equals 4. All right, let me move this up. Okay, so this is kind of doing it maybe slightly backwards. We're also going to be doing a little bit of graphing. All right, so we need to identify the center. So I need an ordered pair. So this can be rewritten as x minus negative 1. So I can see that the x part of the center is at negative 1. Okay, likewise, this parentheses can be rewritten as y minus negative 3. So the y part of the center is negative 3. Let me go ahead and plot that point. It's right there, right? That's the center. Okay, now here, this 4, that's the radius squared. Okay, so that means that the radius is actually 2. So I need to draw a circle here that has a radius of 2. So let me just kind of count out 2 units in all 4 directions so that I can try to draw a circle. Again, I'm not the best artist in the world, but notice it doesn't look like a diamond. It has no straight edges, right? It's fairly round. I mean, again, it could be slightly better, but I'm on a screen. Okay, so here, this one's actually, number 4 is actually slightly easier. I can really, really easily see what the center is. It's at 4, 1. All right, and here, if this is r squared, that means that r is 3. So let me place my center. It's at 1, 4. There's the center of the circle. And the radius is 3, so in 3 units in each direction. 1, 2, 3, there we go. And again, trying to make it circular. Again, that looks a little more like an egg, and I apologize, but you get the idea.